your script, when you're done with it, you're going to go to File, Print, Download PDF, and then hit Download. This is going to prompt to either open it or save it or whatever. You're going to hit Save and OK. You're then going to bring it into the folder for this project, and in this case it's going to be in our video project inside of scripts and inside of practice, and you're going to upload it there, and you're going to rename it to your name. So drag your script in and right click, rename, script practice 2, then your name.